So what's up? Now this is another lift. Yeah, this is the setup. So this is the platform. Yeah, it is a small lift, 4 passengers. Yeah, its capacity is for 4 passengers. This is the platform. Something I like about it, do you see this control panel here? Yeah, this is our control panel. Now on the outside, when you are coming, you can't even notice that there is a control panel. You see that? Until you come here and open this marble. Yeah, this is good engineering, you see? Yeah. This was artistic because you can't even know. See? Good job.